sa ating gala-gala. Share your blessings sa ating newlywed, no? Yung money po na mapusin po natin for our gala-gala will really help our newlywed to start their life as husband and wife. Ang principal sponsors, mga friends, mga relatives ng ating pong newlywed.
Apa yang diwaras ke Mama Terumbak?
So once again, palakpakan po natin ang ating bagong kasal. While we don't start off wishing Joel and Sweet best wishes and happy marriage. So pag sinabi ko pong happy, your response would be marriage. Happy? Pag sinabi ko pong best, your response would be wishes. Best? Wishes. Happy? Happy? Best? Best? Happy marriage and best wishes to Joel and Sweet C. The crowd has spoken. May your marriage life be happy and beautiful as your wedding. So at this juncture, may request our newlywed. So please, pumunta sa gitna for their first dance as husband and wife. So while they are dancing, may we request Ma'am Doms na isunod yung ating newlywed. So ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and Mrs. Joel Magmuyong in their first dance as husband and wife. Inviting everyone for our prosperity dance, or what we call the Gala Gala. So everyone is invited to share their blessings to our newlyweds. So requesting our